Today on my channel, I'm going to be talking about a half fold. A half fold, as you can see right here, is going to give you spacing between patterns. So let's take a look. So a half fold is used to separate parts of a pattern, to give a little bit of spacing. So for example, in this read pattern, if you look between the letters, you're going to see all this spacing. And it's actually just a half fold. So let's take a look. So what it is, when we unfold it, is you're going to fold one corner in, one full quarter in, and then you're going to take the tip and fold it right into that gutter, that middle part of the book, and tuck it in. In this case, there's quite a few to give a little bit of spacing between those letters. So let's take a look at another one. So in this case, in this dad pattern, again, if you look between the letters, you can see tucked is all this spacing. Again, all it is corner in, and then take the tip to that middle part. So let's do some half folds together. So for example, in this book, this is just my sample book. This is where I just like to practice. That's always this is a really good tip for book folders. It's just to have a book where you practice all sorts of things. So let's take a look here. I'm going to fold this tip and this tip in, and they're going to meet right there in the center. And then I'm going to flatten it. Okay, so that's step one. It almost looks like I guess like a sailboat. Then you're going to take this tip and fold it right into that gutter, that middle part of the book. And there is your half fold. So let's go ahead and do another one together. Take both corners of the book, fold them in, crease, and then you're going to take the tip and fold it in. Just like so. As easy as that, you have a half fold to give extra spacing between parts of our pattern. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and you'll be able to see a lot of other videos on book folding. Happy folding!